Everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Marion and we're doing another wig unboxing. I have a new unit from LuvMe hair. I've showed LuvMe hair plenty of times on my channel. Love the box, love the purple, love their units. Before I jump into this video, do not forget to subscribe, give it a big thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and without further ado, we're gonna hop right into it. So this particular unit is supposed to be ready to go. Don't need a lot of manipulation or anything. I'm gonna show you the goodies that came with this unit, and it's already curled. So you have the brush, edge brush, and comb. It comes with a comb. This is pretty. I like this. Bag for your unit. About their membership. A HG wig cap, but I'm gonna say this because I already have one that's already open. So, and then a wig band, lace band. Oh, what is this? Unit name. Use a sticker to label the wig and stick it on the box for easy identification. Okay, this is something different. Never seen that before. And then a user's guide. Love that for me. So let's show you what the unit looks like. This is like a two-toned ombre, and it has a C part. Let's see what the lace is looking like. I love units that are, doesn't require much. This is a 7x5 closure. Didn't do the full 13x6 or 13x4, but you can see. And the knots are bleached. So let's see what it looks like on my head. Oh, it does have adjustable straps on the back, and it has like this grip right here. It has combs. You can cut the combs off. I think it's supposed to be able to contour around the ear, but let's just see real quick, see what adjustments I need to make. Okay, so the unit is, I think, I'm gonna put the inches. The curls are super tight. Well, I'm looking like Shirley Temple, okay? So these definitely have to be combed out. I do need to loosen up the unit because, as you can see right here, it's not fitting my head all the way, but that's because the strap. So we can fix that. Okay, that's a lot better. It's still tight, but let's see what the lace is looking like. The knots, that's pretty cool. Okay, so I pinned it back. Now let's commence to lean this lace. I'm gonna use some Got To Be spray. Typically I would go in with the even, but I've been using this lately. I might do both. So for extra hold, now I'm just gonna melt the lace. First go around, leave it on for about 20 minutes. I want it to lay, and while it's doing what I need to do, work on these curls, okay? Another thing about this unit, you can part it different ways. It's a deep part, so I just want to show you the options of the parting space. As you can see, So even if I don't want to keep it in the C, which I'm not sure if I really want to just yet, but I am gonna recurl this. I think this is 180 density. It's so soft, doesn't have a smell. It smells like the rest of the other wigs. And yeah, definitely gonna have to flatten this because this right here feel like I'm peppermint patty or something. But yeah, there is some shedding. Let me show you. That's the shedding. So, but I am also being a little rough. It feels good. Like, what? Okay. Diana Ross state. I'm being super duper goofy, but yeah. Okay, so let's cut this. And I'm just going to spray it down again. Let it lay down because you can see all the whiteness. I needed to blend in. I do have like a melting spray, but I'm gonna do that last. The only thing is, I just wish the wig was a little bit bigger. It means when the wind blows, child. But yeah, that's my only thing. Still not sure if I'm feeling this C part, but I'm gonna add some curls. Just a little. I don't want them like full, just a little definition. And then I think that'll help me determine how I want like a middle part or keep this C part. So the curls don't need to be perfectly parted or anything. This hump right here is killing me. And I need a new hot comb because it's not laying it down the way I want to, but you can definitely see a difference with these curls compared to the original curls. Okay, I'm back. This is the final look of the hair. I was able to slick it down a little bit more using some beeswax that did it, but look at this lace wear. I'm just saying, this is a pretty unit, especially for me to rock to work. The curls are just enough, not too much, not, you know, looking like Shirley Temple, because baby, the before and now. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have ordered wigs from LuvMe before, give me your thoughts. And as always, thank you for watching. Baby, you